Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the chamfer command in 3 different ways. Let's get started. All right, so in this video we're going to learn how to use chamfer in 3 different ways. So first we're going to learn chamfer with the distance command. We're going to learn chamfer with the angle command and chamfer with the polyline command. So let's do the distance command first, chamfer with distance command. We have a square over here that has been chamfered on one of its corners. I want you to make this. And in this video, I am going to do that step by step on this square over here. So first of all, you need to know the dimensions of this square. So all the squares that we are using today are 50 by 50. So go ahead and make a square that is 50 by 50. Okay, so now we're going to make a chamfer like this, and the chamfer is going to be 20 on the top and 40 on the right side. So what we do first is type chamfer. I just type cham for short. And before we do anything, I know the gray rectangle says select first line, but before you do that, you need to look at your options at the bottom down here. Okay, distance, we're working on chamfer with the distance command. So we see distance right here, so we type D, enter. And now it says specify first chamfer distance. So let's do the top first, 20, enter. And let's do 40 next, so 40. Okay, it says select first line. Okay, what was the first number that we put in? The first number that we put in was 20. So since 20 is in the top, our first line needs to be the top. Okay, the second number that we put was 40, and we want the 40 to be on the right side. So it says select second line. So the second one needs to be the right side. So we click this, and that's it. Now, just to reiterate the importance of the order, I'm going to do that again, but I'm going to do it in the wrong order, just to show you. So chamfer, D for distance, 20 is the first distance, 40 is the second distance. I'm going to select first line. So we're supposed to click the top first, but I'm going to do this one first. And you see it switched. So we have 20 on the right side and 40 on the top side. And so the order that you click, which sides you click, the order of that is important. So I'm going to do that one more time. Chamfer, enter, D, enter, 20, enter, 40, enter. And since 20 was my first number, the top has to be my first line, and then the right side. So there you go. Okay, now we're going to move over to chamfer with angle. So we're going to do chamfer with angle. So we need to make a square with a chamfered corner, a length of 40, and an angle of 30. So I'm going to type cham, enter. And instead of clicking distance, oh look, angle. So we're going to type the word A. I mean the letter A. A is also a word though. And now it says 40. I mean specify chamfer length. So look, 40. There you go. So type in 40. And then specify chamfer angle 30. Okay, so it says select first line. So it's going to be the bottom. and then this one. So there you go. All right. Last but not least, we're going to do chamfer with Polyline. So this one looks kind of cool. It looks almost like a boulder. Okay. So chamfer with Polyline. Remember, a polyline is any shape or zigzag line, I guess, that is all connected in one object. So if you type rectangle, R-E-C-T, and you make a rectangle, this is considered a polyline because it's all one shape. You could have also made it by doing PL for polyline, and you could have made a rectangle this way as well by actually using polyline. So polyline is PL, or you could have typed the polyline button up here. As you can see, when I hover over this, it's one object, okay? One object. So this chamfer with polyline only works with polylines. It does not work with regular lines. So if you made your square with regular lines, it won't work. It has to be all connected. If you did make your square with regular lines, I'll just do that real quick. 50, 50, 50. And so if you made your square with regular lines like this, all the lines are separated, right? Well, before we start the chamfer with polyline command, you have to join them. So type in join and select all your lines, enter. And now it is a polyline because it is all one shape now. Okay. So polyline, chamfer with polyline. So we're going to type cham, enter. And we're going to go down here to our options. So we've done distance, angle, here's polyline. So P, enter. Now, what we have to do is we have to put in a distance, okay, or an angle, because this isn't going to work for me. So I'm going to type D, enter. And to be honest, I need to back up for a second because I need to find the dimensions of what is this chamfer? I don't even know what it is. Okay, so that side is 15. And this side is 5. Okay, so we have a chamfer of 5 on the top and 15 on the side. So let's do that. So let's start again. Cham, polyline. And we're going to do distance. So D, enter. And our first one is it's got to be 5. And then the second one has got to be 15. And now we just, and there you go, except these two are different in a way. How are they different? Well, it looks like it's reversed. So I guess I should have done 15 first and then 5. So again, the order matters. I'm not quite sure how it chose which one goes first because it did not have me select line 1 and line 2. So anyway, I'm just going to do Control Z. I'm going to try it again. Cham, enter, P, enter, and D for distance, enter. And instead of 5, 15, which is what I did last time, I'm going to do 15, enter, 5, enter. I'm just going to do it in the other order. I click it, and now it is exactly what I want. So there you go. Go ahead and make those 3 chamfers, and that'll be good for chamfer. Thank you.